Hi students, and welcome to week 3 in your online lifespan growth and development class. We are off to a great start. You are doing such a great job keeping up with your assignments and getting them done and doing a good job on them. I think you have Connect figured out. So excellent job overall. Let's keep up the good work. This week we are moving on. So last week we looked at conception, the prenatal process and birth, and this week we are moving on to our first 2 years of life, so 0 to 2 years old, and we'll be here for 2 weeks in this age range. This week, on week 3, we'll look at body and mind, and then next week we will look at social emotional development in that age range. So let's take a look at this week's module. You have your PowerPoint screens as always. I'm going to change the order here. You have your Connect assignment, and it is over the influences on brain development and your Chapter 3 quiz. So I know last week you had a discussion question. The week before you did your introduction discussion question. No discussion question this week, no journal this week, no writing assignment. So a little bit of a breather here in terms of your writing assignments. So just 2 assignments due. The Connect assignments on the influences on brain development and your Chapter 3 quiz. Have a great week, everybody, and let me know if you need anything. Take care.